Here we have Revell Level 5 BF110, the Messerschmitt. I've had this in my stash probably 3 years now. This is a 2019 model from Revell, so I thought I'd better get on with it basically. What I love about Revell is the instruction manual being colour instead of just black and white. There we go, there's your tips from Revell here as well, all listed. Obviously different languages, and then we got the paints, all the different paints. There we go, and then we got the frames, or the sprues I should say. There we go, and as always we start off with the cockpit. We're doing the instrument panel first, and then get on with the rest of the cockpit. There we go, this is a 132 scale. I'll go through the rest of the spec in a minute. But as you can see, quite a few steps involved. Even a peg. There we go. Looking cool. Yeah, there's quite a few steps. Must be near the end now. We've got to the canopy. There we go. Yeah. And here's what to pick. What colour scheme to pick. This is Belgrade, Russia, May 1942. Yeah, and then we've got, oh, it's the same one. Okay. Let's see, what's the next one? We have France, June 1940. That looks quite plain, really. Yeah, quite an easy colour scheme, that one. Yeah, so I think we'll do we'll do this one. I'll try and do the mottled effect as well, and I do like the yellow on it as well. Breaks it up. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Yeah, I think I'll stick with that one. Excellent. There we go. But I do need some paints as well. But anyway, we'll sort that out as we go along. But that's what hopefully mine will look like. Looking cool. Here we have the decals. Looking brilliant. Yeah, plenty of decals. Even got the harness straps. Yeah. There's the instrument panel and the individual decals for the instrument panel. So that looks excellent. And here we have all the sprues. Here we have all the frames. There we go, there's a canopy. Oh, they look like bumps on that one. There's the nose cone. Yeah. In its own little bag. There's more bombs, the wheels. Excellent. Yeah. Propeller blades, something's come off there. Off one of the screws. There we go, now you get a general idea of the size of the aircraft as well. Nice size. And the wings. Looking cool. Right, I'll have a closer inspection of these as the build goes on. But we'll start off with the cockpit now. Yeah, excellent. Let's get on with the build. There we go, there is the cockpit, all nicely completed. It has been weathered as well. The interior should be olive, a light olive, Revell number 43, but I have weathered it as well, and I've added quite a bit of detail onto it as well, as much as possible. All the decals are in place, they look superb as well. I'll try and get some close-ups. I think the decals have come off quite well actually. There we go, not bad at all. And the front, yeah, with the guns, get this right around, that fits perfectly. You can see I've got the wing supports on here. That will, that fits perfect. That just needs gluing into place. A bit of filling needs doing here, and then 2 joints. Still needs to be aligned though, mind you. These are just placed. There we go. You can see the guns here as well. Pity you won't be able to see them actually. There's just a couple of slots there for them. Seems a lot of work really for, well, not a great lot of detail. This isn't glued into place yet, but yeah, it's just pushed in place. It's just a test fit basically. This is an extremely tight fit, but it fits perfect. Great. So the rest of the aircraft will look superb when it's done. There we go. But that's the cockpit for you. I'm really chuffed with that. I do like my weathering. Excellent stuff. These are the products I've used. The homebrew dark grey wash. Give that a nice shake. This one, the Vallejo model wash for grey and dark vehicles. Just a matter of mixing it and doing what you can with it. Grey and blue camouflage panel liner. Obviously not use it on the panel lines yet, but can be used for anything you want really. Brown and green camouflage panel liner. That's going to look cool. Obviously decal softener from Revell, and decal fix, humble decal fix. And this is the colour I use for the interior, light olive. You can't really tell a great deal now because of all the weathering I've done on it. And there's gunmetal to my X10. That's going to be fun, covering them whilst I paint the rest of it. But there we go. That is that's the cockpit done. I do love doing the cockpit. There's always a lot of detail into it. There is a little bit more to be done yet. There's a frame to go on the outer here with another gun placement, and then obviously the canopy. But that's, I wanted to show you that before I did the rest. There we go. This is a little bit further on into the build. Now you see another creation of a gun. Bit of drilling here for that frame, and then pop it into place here, and the canopy over the top. There we go. And that is what I need to do much later on in the build. And then obviously the canopy itself. There we go. But this is much later on in the build. This is where I'm up to. Step 30. So quite a bit more to do. Got the engines to do next. Excellent. Well, there we go. That is it for now. BF110 version C-2 or C-7. I'm not sure which one I'm going to be doing yet, but you'll find out later in the build. Anyway, thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe, and hopefully I'll see you again. Bye for now.